Oh yeah, I'm going to be getting off there. This is Westville.
Don't make me surprised. You gotta be kidding me. This is flooded.
How are you going to get around? Oh, I know how we got to get around.
Oh.
We're going to go right through the flood. We're going to go straight up there.
Yeah,
Go through
this bus will go right through it.
We're going through this parking lot right here.
No, flood. So
Actually, this road goes straight through, doesn't it?
No, it goes to 130.
So we're flooded in Westville.
This bus will go right through that flood.
No, we're not.
What the heck? It must be flooded at the circle, too. Go through it, it's open.
Go through, that guy just did.
This bus will go through a flood.
You think we can do it?
Yeah.
I know this bus will go through a flood. Ain't no other way for us to go around. That car's gonna have a hard time, but we're gonna go through. Don't get behind that car.
Never made a message on this. Never announced anything. Where it was flooded.
Yeah, you might want to tell them.
You better watch that car, ain't gonna make it. He's making it too, look at that.
Here's to back it up.
Oh my God. Brooklawn Circle, we are flooded.
Why would he back up? He's out of it already.
Unless he's stalled.
Yeah, he might be dead now.